Let's talk party food. These tear and share apricot and bacon rolls are the ultimate sharing food. For the tear and share dough, into the bowl of your stand mixer fitted with the dough hook attachment, add the flour, yeast, garlic salt, sugar, butter, milk and water. Mix these until you have a smooth dough. Place this dough into a lightly greased bowl, cover with a kitchen cloth and leave to proof until doubled in size. Place the proof dough into the mixing bowl fitted with the dough hook attachment. To this add your bacon, apricots and chopped rosemary and mix to combine. Turn this dough out onto a lightly floured work surface and divide into 9 equal balls. Shape into rounds and place these into the lined baking dish. Cover and proof for 30 minutes or until doubled in size. Once our tear and share bread rolls are ready, egg wash and pop into the preheated oven and bake until golden brown. Once baked, brush generously with melted butter and sprinkle with chopped rosemary. That's it, that is my ultimate sweet and savoury tear and share jam inspired bread. I hope you get to try this out at home.